Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do this beginner assignment on the iPad. I've actually never done this before, so this is kind of exciting. So here we go. So the assignment is to trace these squiggle lines. A little bit of instruction. You need to use a red stroke, clear fill, and the pen tool should have a 6-point stroke width. So right now we have a black stroke, so I can change that to red, easy enough. Let's see here. And then for the fill, it's set at white, so be careful. A lot of beginners think that's the same as clear, but it's not. So we want to change it to none, that little red slash, so that way it's actually like see-through. It's not a white fill, it's a clear fill. That one takes a while to really set in. Okay, and I kind of can't figure out how to change the stroke right off the bat, but I know I can change it later. I was kind of playing around with some of this stuff. I didn't see where stroke was, but maybe that's okay for now. So I'm just gonna hit the pen tool, and in order to draw this squiggle, I just need to put anchor points at every time it changes directions, right? So I'll start with one at the top, and then I need one down here at the very bottom, because this is where it's gonna change and start going up. Okay, but I need to click and drag it. So there we go. So with my pen, I'm just holding it down. You can see the little handlebars coming out, and that's good. So now I'll go up here to the very top and just click one time. I have that handlebar that it gave me, so I didn't even need to click and drag at the top. Oh, not sure what I did there. Okay, so now I'm gonna go down to the very bottom, click and drag again, click, click and drag, click and click. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the black arrow, and this is where you can change your stroke. I actually was playing around with it and was drawing with a 6 already, but yours is probably at a 1, so you'll probably want to change it to 6 with that tool. And I got to it by clicking the black arrow. I also want to go in and clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, cool. And okay, oh, I guess I'm on the wrong tool. There we are. So now I can just click this one anchor point. I can tell he's selected because it's blue, and the other ones are white, so they will stay put, which is good. Ooh. I'm gonna pull out that handlebar a little, and we can kind of just go in and clean up, you know, however we see best. It doesn't need to be perfect, but just pretty close, so I can see that you understand how to control the pen tool and whatnot. Okay, let's do the next one. So this one's a little trickier. You actually start with a curved anchor point. That's really the trick, the kicker with this guy. Oh, do you guys see what happened? That's kind of annoying, right? It just kept drawing. I mean, it's not annoying. It could be useful. So if I don't want to continue drawing, I want to draw something new, I actually need to deselect that guy. So there we are. He's not selected. Now I can go to the pen tool. So that's a little different on the iPad than it is on the computer. So I'm just gonna click and drag and make the curve. I'm gonna go down here and click and drag. I'll go clean that up later. Click and drag. Edit, undo. I'm gonna zoom in. Here we are. Click and drag, click and drag, click and drag. It's actually really nice on the iPad now that I'm gonna get used to this pretty quick, I think. I like it. It just feels like you're drawing. It is kind of better than using the mouse. This is neat. So I'm excited to see how Illustrator continues to evolve on the iPad, because I know there are a few things we still can't do. I love putting prints in the swatch, and you can't really do that right now. I mean, you can make clipping masks. There's other ways around it, but I don't know. We'll see what happens, because it is kind of fun to just take your iPad wherever and just design on it. It's cool. Okay, so now let's try to draw this shirt. So the challenge of this shirt is that I want it filled with colors. I don't want you just to trace the outline. I also want you to fill in the sleeves to be a different color than the front of the shirt, and then the neck trim to be a different color. So let's see. I am kind of curious to see how the iPad handles. This is a JPEG. I've never tried this before. Would it let me just color it in? Maybe in Photoshop it would. I don't see the bucket tool where you can just color it in. I don't know. I'm new to this. Let me know if you guys know an easier way. I think I want it vectorized though. So that's the point of the assignment. So, okay. So there is a cool little tool. Oh, where is he? The cut path tool. I wonder if that would be a fun one for us to play with. What do we got over here on the right? No, I don't think we need that stuff. Okay, but maybe the cut path could be kind of cool, actually. Oop, not font. Let's see here. I'm not sure. I don't know. I need to play around with that. But anyways, first I'll just start by drawing this guy. I'm gonna go click, click. I'm gonna go here because I see a slight curve at the armhole. I'm gonna click that anchor point so that handlebar went away. I'm gonna hold the shift button with my finger. And I think that, oh no, that let you draw a new line so you don't have to deselect it. Look at that, you learned something new. Okay, I'm gonna go back because I do actually want to continue it. Pen tool, click, there we are. And then I'm gonna try to copy and paste this guy. So I think you just click that. It's been duplicated. How can we flip it? I'm still new, I'm just gonna try to figure this out. And what about you? Oops. I'm sure there's a very easy way to flip this guy. Maybe I just try to flip it. What if I just did that? No. Oh, there we go. But I don't know if it's, well, if I hold my thing down. Oh, good. If you put your finger on the button, it keeps it the same shape, so it doesn't change the shape. So yay. That was kind of fun. I think it did change it though, because it seems a little longer. Yeah. Let me try that again. Okay. So I'm gonna grab this corner. I'm gonna hold the little button. Oh, no, I don't really. It's just keeping it proportional, but no. I don't know. Let's see here. Don't know how to flip it. I'm sure there's a very easy way. What's this thing do? That's just to move it. Yeah, I maybe have to do a little research on how to flip it. I mean, I can do this right now, even though I don't really want to because it's changing the shape. So I don't really know if it's the same size anymore. But whatever, I guess I could just fix it. I'll have to get back to you guys about how to transform something and make it bigger. I mean, flip it, sorry. Okay. In the meantime, I guess I could just pull this anchor point down a little bit and we'll be back in business. Okay, pen tool. I'm gonna, I wonder what it's gonna draw. Is it gonna connect you? Okay. It didn't connect those two. I wonder how to connect two things. So much to learn. No. No. Okay, let's see here. I want to select you. I'll hold shift and kind of pick you. Click, click, holding that little, I'm calling it shift for some reason. I'm going to hit the pen tool. Okay, I'm clicking you, and then I'm clicking you, and then I'm clicking you. No, it doesn't like that. I'm sure there is a way to do it. So, I'll have to figure that one out. Okay. Oh well, let's see. Let's just keep going and see what happens. Okay, click. So those aren't connected. It's going to be problematic because later I want to give it a fill color and it's going to look like that, which is not great. And then this one over here is going to look like that, which I'm not super excited about. So I'd like to connect them, but I'm having some issues for whatever reason. Learning curve, I guess you can call it. Okay, so I'm gonna click you. There we go. Okay, cool. Okay, we do have these toys over here. So these are like shape builders. So maybe that's what I need to do on the iPad. So I'm gonna hold shift to select both of those things. Holding shift to just holding that little circle. And then let's go to the shape builder toy, combine them all. That's basically what I want, right? So I guess that's what I have to do. I don't really like this random line. Is that something I can delete? Let me see here, cut that, oopsies. Zoom in here. Who are you? Where did you come from? I just gotta figure out what that is. Let's try using this guy. It's weird because I don't see a point on it. If I do that, oh, So it didn't really connect them, apparently. So that's fine. So I just need to connect it. Okay. So I'm just to make it easier for me to see what the heck's happening, I'm going to change. Oh, is it connected or not? Very confusing. So you know what? How about if I just delete that guy? I'm going to hit the little trash thing. Okay. I don't know. Just doesn't seem like you guys are connected. It says you're connected, but I don't really know. Let's go back a little bit because I really want them to actually be connected. Let's see here. If I pick this point and I bring it, oh, it's taking the whole thing. Okay. Oh wait, something good happened. What the heck? What did I do to make, hey, that's good. Yay, it went away. I just had to move it to the left a little bit. And I actually don't really want handlebars here or here. I don't know how I did that to them all, but okay. There we go. Okay, that seems to kind of work. So I'm definitely, I need some practice, right? This would be a lot easier for me if I was on the computer. I wouldn't have these issues. But I bet you if I practice a lot, I might like it on the iPad because it is really nice being able to draw with the iPad. Okay, cool. Well, there we are. Good enough, right? Okay, let's see here. Let's try this next one. I think what I want to do, nothing's selected, so I'm going to change to a new color. Okay, just so I can see what the heck I'm doing. Click, 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 and I guess, oopsies, no, I'm going to go back. Click. Okay. Okay, let's see if I could play with you and make you a little softer. Oops, no. What about over here? Yeah. Change, oopsies. Go back there. Oh, the corner, this is what I need. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, cool. So I just changed the shape of the corner with that tool up there. Okay, am I gonna be able to copy and paste this guy and reflect it? That's what I have so much trouble with. Copy and pasting is easy because I have that duplicated thing, but I'm just not good at flipping it. So I'm gonna try this. Okay, that did not do it. Okay. What if I do it this thing? No. Okay. Does it, but then I'm stuck with it being a different size, which is kind of a bummer. Okay. I guess that's close enough. I need to get back to you guys on how the heck to flip something without changing its size. Okay, so for layers, I'm going to select this yellow guy. I'm going to move it up a layer. I like this thing. This is cool. So you can just quickly move it through your layers. I'm sure you can look at it on your layers palette as well. Probably click and drag if you need to, I'm thinking. Let's try that. I'm sure, well, I would think you can. I don't know why it's not working though. Well, anyways, the little layers tool is pretty handy. Okay, I'm almost done. I just need to do this neckline. Let's see, let's zoom in for that guy. Oh, I don't need to be on 6 anymore. I should probably change my stroke width so it's not 6. So let's bring that down to 1. There we are. And that goes for you. Zoom out, I'm gonna hold the little shift guy. So they're both selected, and I'm gonna change the stroke back down to 1. Okay, cool. Alrighty. Okay, cool. Back to the pen tool. So click, click, click and drag. Click and drag, click. It's funny how it's like closing it for me already. That was weird. I don't know. Oh, I must have continued the thing. Let me try to get out of here. Okay. So I think what I want to do is deselect and find this layer and just lock it so it doesn't move. And I'll just start over again. So let's get the pen tool. Let's change it to be purple. No fill for right now. click, click, click and drag, click, click, click and drag, I guess left, and click. Okay, and then I can change tools to bring out the handlebar. Okay, cool, and then give it a fill color. Great. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate it, and I'm gonna move, I like where those anchor points are. I just wanna move this guy so it's in the back. Right, so now it's the back side, but I wanna change the layers so that it's actually behind, there we are, the front. He can have a different color. I usually kind of do it sort of gray when it's like in the back. Okay, cool. Let's get this guy who's locked. Well, that guy, oh yay, that was an easy way to unlock it. And we'll make you yellow. Uh-oh, why are you not yellow? One more time. Yellow, there it goes. Cool. Okay, and then to turn it in, you need to take a screenshot of everything selected. So is this a good way to select everything? Yeah, oh, that's funny. You don't get to see the anchor points on the iPad. Oh, well, whatever. Just take a screenshot and that's it. So there we go. That was my first time drawing a t-shirt CAD on the iPad. And there's like a bit of a learning curve, but overall I love it. I really like it. So I'm excited to continue to do it.